Hi everyone, I'm here today to show you how to adjust the size of the adjustable bracelets from Filalir. So right now in my shop on filalir.com I have three models. So the first one is called Mes Amours, which means my loves in English, so it can represent a mother and a child or a father and his child. Then I have the model called Mes Trésors in French, which means my treasures. It can be for two sisters, two lovers, two friends, two cousins. You get it. And then I have the Mon Cœur bracelets, which means my heart. Let me show you how to put this bracelet on. So the first step is to grab the bead on the front and slide it against the knots, like that. And repeat that on the other side. Now you want to make the bracelets bigger. So to do that, grab the middle portion of the thread, pull it on one way while you slide the knots on the other way, like that. And repeat the same on the other side. Don't slide the knots too close from the heart or it will make the next step more complicated. Slip it on. Now, if someone can help you, it would be way much easier. Because now what we have to do is grab one thread, but not this one, because nothing happens. What I want is grab the thread that when I put it in one way, I can slide the knots on the other way. And with the other thread, it works. So that was the right portion to pull. And do the same on the other side. This one was the right portion from the start because I can slide the knots correctly. And for the final touch, just slide the beads on the front again on both sides. And that's it. Of course, if you're alone and you have to do this on yourself, it's not that easy, but it's definitely possible. I will show you how I do that. The good news is that it's waterproof, so you don't have to take it off to take shower. Okay, let's do it. Slip the bracelet on, turn the hand, and wear the bracelet very high on the wrist, like on the middle of the hand. Grab a thread and pull the knots. Here nothing happens, so that means I have to grab the other thread, like that. And now when I pull the knots, it slides, so that's okay. Slide it a bit, not too much, because we want the closure to be centered on the bracelets. Repeat the same on the other side. So grab a thread. Okay, I'm hiding what I'm doing right now, not easy, but yeah, I grab a thread and it wasn't the right one because nothing happened when I pulled the knots, so I change, grab the other one, and now it slides correctly. Slide the knots as much as you can, like that. Now you can move down the bracelets around the wrists, and I suggest you slip a finger into the loop, like that. And what you have to do now is to slide the knots on the left while you are pulling the thread on the right. Yes. And the finger here inside the loop is very important. I mean, this is the way I do it. Maybe you find another way, but this is how I managed to slide the knots. Yes, so I close it almost entirely because I have very small wrists. Yes. Perfect. So now the final touch is to grab the beads and slide it to the front again. So to do that with my finger here, I stick the bracelets against my wrist and slide the beads. If I don't do that, it's more complicated. So at some point I need to turn my wrists and push the beads instead of pulling it. like that. I will show you on the other side. So the important details here is to put your finger in between the bracelets and your wrists. You grab the knots so that it doesn't move while you are pushing the beads, because if you don't grab the knots, it will slide with the beads and you will undo what you've just done, sorry. Yeah, like that. Ta-da! You may find that one thread is too loose, so all you have to do is to slide the knots a bit more. So you can help you with your finger here, press the heart against your wrist and push the knots away, like that.